Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris and this is Top Dog Sugar Shack, and today we're at the farm and we are chopping. We got 100 acres here rye we're chopping, plus some other fields, so probably close to 175 acres altogether. We probably did 50 yesterday, so let's get at it. This field here was all separate little tiny fields with swales running through the field. Last year, I guess they leveled it all out and everything. It's all been tile drained, but boy, oh boy, after land leveling and everything, this is pretty rough. This needs to be all reworked again. There's the eraser. I believe he's on the 4955 using a 25-foot turret mower. That thing unfolds. You gotta, when you unfold it, well, it's horizontal, then you unfold it and put it in working mode. It has a conveyor on it. Oh, where's the mirror? It's in the way. Got a conveyor that helps and puts it in, merges it into two rows there. Got a lot of time on that old mower. A lot of seat time. I was using a versatile 265 yesterday. Hopefully get back on that tractor today. Doing pre-check this morning, greasing everything, and I found two cracks in the frames, so that needs to be dealt with this morning. So the boys are working on that. Unsafe to be driving it, especially putting 10 or 15 ton of haylage on it. So a bit of a wad stuck in there. There's some more land over there that they started to work and stuff. It's all trees. All this scrub trees over here, that's all going to be taken out later this summer, I guess. This field is so rough. All the tile lines have all sank. What a disaster. It's rough. There's some more land up in there where they started taking out the trees. What a mess. Well, we got the versatile 265 back. This thing is a monster. Almost 300 horsepower. Lots of little gadgets in it. Beautiful day here in eastern Ontario. I think it's supposed to be 28 degrees today. I guess we got about a quarter of the field done. They're up there fixing the mower. I guess the gearbox dropped out of it, so they went and got a spare gearbox out of a spare mower. So we should be up and running again here in a half hour or so. We stopped maybe 20 times already. Lucky that harvester has a magnet detector in there to detect metal. We found lots of bits and pieces of fence wire. And if cows eat metal, it will be a dead cow. Unfortunately. There's a few of the pieces there that we've taken out. The rest of them are in the harvester. Well, there's the mower. It's back running. It's got it in transport mode. That thing does quite the wild dance as it's unfolding. It's kind of scary, actually. It's almost like the thing's gonna flip right over. But it works awesome. You can fly with that, probably cut about 15 kilometers an hour. That's flying, not in this field. This field here, he's probably cutting at 4 or 5 because it's so rough. Camera stay. Oh, damn. Phone don't want to cooperate, keeps falling over on me. We're almost done this 100 acres. A few more loads out of here and we'll be done. Oh, it's so rough out here. Oh, damn, phone stay right there. Just right up along the bunk wall here. Darn phone, stay right there. What is the matter with you? Stay. Again. Put quite a bit in here today. Oh, this is like my 30th load or so. Holds like 15 ton, I believe it is. Using, I think that's 4850. Using that to pack the bunk. Let's go do the last load on that field. All right, everybody. Well, that's 100 acres done. That took probably 3 hours longer than it should have. You usually do 25 acres chopping in an hour or so. Off to the next field. Everybody have a great day. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Looking for subscribers. Hit that like button and leave a comment. Have a great day.